Imagine a world where the boundaries between the wild's most majestic felines blur, giving rise to extraordinary creatures that seem almost mythical. This is the world of hybrid offspring between tigers and lions, two of nature's most iconic big cats. When these powerful animals cross paths under unique circumstances, they can interbreed, resulting in hybrids known as ligers and tigons. These rare animals not only captivate with their remarkable size and appearance, but also tell a fascinating story about genetics, biology, and the delicate balance of nature. Let's begin with the basics. Tigers and lions, though distinctly different in behavior and habitat, both belong to the genus Panthera, which makes them genetically compatible to some extent. In the wild, their territories rarely overlap, so natural hybridization is virtually non-existent. Yet in captivity, where these boundaries can be crossed, the possibility of interbreeding becomes real. A liger is the result of a male lion mating with a female tiger. Ligers are notable for their massive size, often growing larger than both parent species. In fact, ligers hold the record for the world's largest big cats. Some adult male ligers have been known to weigh over 900 pounds. Their appearance is a blend of both parents. They often have the tawny, sandy coloring of a lion, combined with faint tiger stripes along their body. Their temperament can also be unique, sometimes displaying the sociable nature of lions, along with the swimming affinity common to tigers. On the other hand, when a male tiger mates with a female lion, the offspring is called a tigon. Tigons, while still large and impressive, tend to be smaller than ligers, and often closer in size to their parents. Their appearance is a more subtle blend, usually showing the more prominent stripes of the tiger, but with the lion's characteristic build and often a hint of the male lion's mane. Tigons are rare, partly because the pairing of a male tiger and a female lion is less common and more challenging to facilitate in captivity. The phenomenon of hybrid vigor, also known as heterosis, can play a role in the extraordinary size of ligers. This genetic effect, sometimes observed in hybrids, results in offspring that outperform both parents in certain traits, such as size or growth rate. However, this comes with its own challenges. Ligers and tigons often face health issues due to their hybrid status, including joint problems, organ failures, and reduced life expectancy. Additionally, most male ligers and tigons are sterile, while females may sometimes be fertile. It's important to understand that these hybrids do not occur in the wild. Tigers and lions have evolved to fill different ecological niches. Tigers are solitary and forest-dwelling, while lions are social and prefer the open savannas. Their behaviors, social structures, and habitats are so different that, under natural circumstances, their paths seldom cross. In captivity, the deliberate breeding of ligers and tigons is controversial. While these animals undeniably fascinate with their size and beauty, many conservationists and animal welfare experts question the ethics of creating hybrids for novelty or entertainment. These animals do not serve a conservation purpose, as they cannot be released into the wild or contribute to the genetic health of either species. Furthermore, the health problems associated with hybridization can compromise their well-being. The story of ligers and tigons is a compelling chapter in the broader narrative of nature's complexity. It highlights both the possibilities and the responsibilities that come with human intervention in the animal kingdom. While these hybrid big cats are wonders to behold, they also remind us of the importance of respecting the boundaries that evolution has set, and the need to prioritize the health and conservation of wild lion and tiger populations. In the end, ligers and tigons serve as living embodiments of both nature's creativity and the unintended consequences of crossing lines that, in the wild, would never be crossed.